How to add CapCut templates. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add CapCut templates. So let's begin. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Once you appear on this page, here you can see the 4 different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on templates. Once you click on it, here you will see bunch of templates on your screen. You can select any one of your choice and click on use template option. Now select the clips you want to add on your template. Once you add your clips, finally click on next button. Once you are okay with the template, finally click on export button at the top right corner. Again click on export button and that's it, your video will be exported on your device. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can add CapCut templates on your device. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.